Welcome to the Goddess Kingdom. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform a powerful love spell. This love spell may be performed to open your heart chakra to unconditional love, allowing you to attract divine union. However, please keep in mind a love spell should never be used to force an individual to fall in love, as it is a violation of free will and goes against Wiccan ethics. Before beginning any ritual or spell, you should be familiar with the skill of properly setting an altar, calling the four quarters, and creating a sacred circle. For instructions on how to properly set an altar, please watch our video. How to set an altar? Please watch our video. Creating a sacred circle. If you are not familiar with summoning the four quarters and creating a sacred circle, for this love spell you will need a pink or red chime candle, a ritual carving tool or athame, a plain white sheet of paper, a red pen or marker, and red ribbon or string. This video features 3 of the Goddess Kingdom spell oils that may each be used in a love spell. Passion spell oil, love spell oil, and Venus spell oil. Each has been crafted with the most powerful correspondence to invoke the intent of love, passion, and bliss. The Goddess Kingdom Venus spell oil may also be used to summon the powerful grand goddess of love, Venus, as a deity for other rituals and spells. Please watch our video, How to Use Spell Oils, for more information on spell oils, or visit the Goddess Kingdom website found in the link below this video. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the Goddess Kingdom Love Spell Oil. However, you may use a spell oil of your own. This video will also feature the Goddess Kingdom's altar gift set. Spell oils and altar gift set featured in this video can each be found on the Goddess Kingdom website in the link below this video. To begin, a love spell should be performed during a waxing moon or full moon. Before performing any spell work, you may wish to cleanse your aura with a soothing bath, or you may use sage to cleanse your space and yourself of negative energy. Before you begin, you may also wish to take a few minutes to meditate and channel your focus. Most Wiccan spells and rituals require all tools and items used in a spell be cleansed and consecrated prior to the ritual. This can be done by blessing the items under a full moon. However, in this video, we will demonstrate how to verbally cleanse and consecrate your items and tools. To consecrate the chime candle, you will first focus your intent and purpose for casting this love spell with as much clarity as possible. Visualize your personal energy flowing through the chime candle and infusing it with your own magical empowerment. Take as long as you require. Next, using your wand, you will draw a pentagram over the chime candle by marking the first line of the pentagram in a north to south direction. As you continue to visualize your intent and energy flowing through the candle, you will recite the following: Earth my body, water my blood, air my breath, and fire my spirit. By the moon's light I cleanse and consecrate this candle and tools of the arts this night. So love and light may shine bright. As I will, so mote it shall be. You will next use your ritual carving tool or athame to carve a symbol that represents love on the candle. This symbol may simply be a heart, someone's initials, or the runic sigil for love. You are now ready to anoint the chime candle with the spell oil of your choice. To anoint the candle, you will use one of 2 methods. One method will draw energy toward you, and the other method will draw energy away from you. For this spell, you will want to draw positive energy toward you. Add a small amount of love spell oil on the fingertip of your dominant hand. While holding the candle with your non-dominant hand, Begin at the top of the candle and rub the oil downward toward the middle and stop at the center. Make certain to cover all sides of the candle. Next, begin at the bottom of the candle and work upward towards the center, once again covering all sides of the candle. You may now light the candle. As the candle burns, you will use the red marker or pen to draw 2 large hearts that overlap one another at the center on a sheet of plain white paper. At the top center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for earth. On the right center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for air. On the bottom center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for fire. On the left side center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for water. You are now ready to focus and visualize the most important qualities you seek to have in your ideal partner. When you are ready and have a clear vision of the qualities you seek in your partner, you will write down at least 3 qualities on one of the hearts. However, you may write as many as you please. Once you have completed the list of your ideal partner's qualities, you will next list the strongest qualities you have to offer your partner on the second heart. List at least 3 qualities or as many as you please. Lastly, in the center where the 2 hearts overlap, you will write down at least 3 words or as many as you like that describes your ideal relationship. For example, passionate, committed, blissful, eternal. When you have completed the task of listing all qualities for you, your partner and ideal relationship, you will next verbalize each one within stating the following incantation. May the grand goddess of love, Goddess Venus, grant her blessing and hear these words. Here you will state all the qualities you have listed for you, your partner and relationship before continuing. With the power of the 4 elements within, pure of heart, pure of mind, and pure of spirit to begin. May our souls find their way and shine bright as 2 passionate spirits under the moonlight. As I will, so mote it shall be. After completing the incantation, you will draw a pentagram over the 2 hearts, once again using the love spell oil with your fingertip belonging to your dominant hand. Begin by marking the first line of the pentagram, running from the direction of north to south. Next, you will take the sheet of paper and fold it in half. Then fold the sheet in half a second time. Finally, fold the sheet in half a third time. Carefully take the burning candle and unfold the note once to drip a few drops of wax onto each corner of the note and refold the note to seal it. Once the folded note has been sealed in wax, you will now wrap the folded note 3 times with the red ribbon or string. Your love spell has now been set in motion. Allow the chime candle to continue burning out on its own until extinguished. Place the sealed note in a safe place inside your home, on your altar, inside a sacred box under your bed, under your pillow, or you may carry it with you. Once your love spell has come to manifest, you may burn the love note during your next ritual, or you may bury it outdoors under a tree, bush, or flower bed. Merry part. The Goddess Kingdom.